I'm Lee.
And I'm Joe.
And we're from Duck Duck. We're here in our New York City showroom. We're about to show you how to put together our Juno play table and play stools in a few easy steps.
Let's do this.
Come on. First, lean one side against the wall. Next, connect the top and the side using the green connectors. And don't forget to push down to lock the connectors. Next, take your stretcher and connect it to the side using the green connectors. Have a friend hold it in place while you get the other piece. Joe! Next, take the remaining side and connect it to the top and stretcher using the green connectors. Flip the table over so the legs are facing up, and then grab your hammer and make sure you have your hammer cap on it. Before you start tapping, make sure your hardware and the holes are all lined up. Then you want to give it a nice sturdy tap. Don't be afraid to use some elbow grease. Tap until there's no more space in between the stretcher and the tabletop. Now you're done with your play table, but if you have play stools, stay tuned for those instructions. By the way, it's literally the exact same thing.
Just smaller.
First, take one of the sides and lean it against the wall. Next, take the top of your stool and insert it to the side using the green connectors. Next, take the stretcher and attach it to the top and the side using the green connectors. Attach the remaining side to the top of the stretcher with the green connectors. Then, flip your play stool over and grab your hammer. Don't forget to apply the hammer cap and tap until there's no room left at the seam. Don't forget, you can use some elbow grease.